name is Tisha Shankar.
Okay.
And
In this,
I am in 3rd standard.
Okay. Good. So what about Ketna? Ketna? Kirtna. Yes.
Ma'am, I am Kirtika and she is Kirtana.
Okay. So in which class you study in?
We are in 3A. We are going to 4th class.
Okay. What about here?
What, ma'am?
Yes, you are Yash, and another candidate is Yash. The username Yash. Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ. Yes, Yash.
Yeah.
Tell me. Yeah.
So
In which class do you study?
I'm Yash and I study in 5th grade.
Okay. And where you live?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay. What about Sachi?
My name is Sachi. I am in 5th standard.
Okay.
Six.
And where you
I'm
live?
going.
Hey, so much.
Okay. So let's see how many people have joined. 9 people have joined. And let's wait for 2 more minutes and we'll start the session. Okay. So let me know. Do you know about the colors? Do you know about the colors? How many
Yes.
colors? Okay. So how many colors you have work on? आपने कौन से कलर्स में काम किया है? किस किस कलर्स में काम किया है अभी तक?
Red, green, blue.
No. Medium. See, there are many colors. Oil pastels. ठीक है? Very simple colors. Oil pastels. Then we have soft pastels. We have pencil color with us, and we have poster colors. Huh? Watercolors, acrylic color, oil colors. है ना? So the basic medium is which the little ones does. मतलब छोटे से ही जब बचपन से आप स्टार्ट करते हो ना, सबसे पहले आपको टीचर कौन से कलर्स बताती है? ऑयल पेस्टल्स, वैक्स क्रेयॉन. आप वैक्स क्रेयॉन से वर्क करते हो सबसे पहले. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जैसे बड़े होते हो आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं पोस्टर कलर्स. ठीक है, जिसमें हम थोड़ा सा वाटर यूज करके हम काम करते हैं. फिर कभी कभार आप यूज करते हो पेंसिल कलर्स, है ना. और जो अपर मीडियम अपर लेवल वाले कलर्स आते हैं वो होते हैं सॉफ्ट पेस्टल्स, ऑयल कलर, एक्रेलिक कलर. ठीक है, तो मैं आज सबसे बेसिक कलर उठाऊंगी, ऑयल पेस्टल्स कलर. तो ऑयल पेस्टल्स और वैक्स क्रेयॉन, वैक्स कलर में अंतर क्या है? सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी. वेट. हाँ. सो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि वैक्स क्रेयॉन और ऑयल पेस्टल में अंतर क्या है. तो ऑयल पेस्टल कलर जो होते हैं हमारे वो लिटिल बिट स्टिकी होते हैं, बहुत ही थोड़े स्टिकी होते हैं. लेकिन अगर बात करते हैं वैक्स क्रेयॉन, आई एम नॉट ऑडिबल. ओके,
Now I'm audible. I'm audible. Wait. Yes. Now audible.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So मेरे हेडफोन शायद काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, चार्ज नहीं हुए, तो मैं से बताती हूँ. So क्या होता है? वैक्स क्रेयॉन होते हैं और ऑयल पेस्टल्स होते हैं. तो ऑयल पेस्टल्स जो होते हैं वो थोड़े से स्टिकी होते हैं, बहुत लाइट स्टिकी होते हैं. जबकि हम अगर वैक्स क्रेयॉन की बात करते हैं, वैक्स कलर की बात करते हैं, तो वैक्स इटसेल्फ सेज द स्टिकीनेस. वैक्स में बहुत स्टिकीनेस होती है. तो जब हम बचपन में काम करते हैं, छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, तो उनके हाथ में छोटे से वैक्स क्रेयॉन देते हैं करने के लिए, वो बहुत स्टिकी होते हैं. तो उसके बाद आते हैं ऑयल पेस्टल्स. जो आर्टिस्ट लोग भी यूज करते हैं, बड़े बच्चे यूज करते हैं। ये ऑयल पेस्टल्स इस तरीके के उसमें आते हैं, तो ऑयल पेस्टल्स, ठीक है। और हमारे जो और ज्यादा हाई शेड्स वाले ऑयल पेस्टल इस तरीके से होते हैं, ठीक है। 50 शेड्स वाले भी होते हैं, 25 शेड्स वाले भी होते हैं। तो हम इनसे काम करते हैं जिसमें हम 3D लुक देते हैं, थोड़ा शेडिंग क्रिएट करते हैं। जबकि हमारे जो वैक्स कलर होते हैं उसमें स्टिकीनेस ज्यादा होती है, तो उससे शेडिंग अच्छे से नहीं हो पाती है, मिक्सिंग अच्छे से नहीं हो पाती है। तो आज हम बनाएंगे, आज हमारी स्पेशल क्लास है होली सेलिब्रेशन की। तो आज यस
क्योंकि थोड़ी सी हिंदी है।
so today we will, as today is the Holi celebration, so today we will do something related to Holi, and the medium we use is oil pastels, ठीक है। so we are using oil pastels and we will draw this Krishna. Can you see that in the window? We will draw this Krishna using the oil pastels. Okay, so are you ready with it? Thumbs up. Right? Okay, let's do it. चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ प्रपोर्शनेट कृष्णा, ठीक है। प्रपोर्शनेट इन द सेंस हाउ टू ड्रॉ
पेंसिल आल्सो यार।
टू ड्रॉ इन गुड लेवल, डिस्टॉर्टेड नहीं, प्रॉपर।
Get one green multicolor pouch.
See, so we have cartridge sheet or blank sheet with us. See, as we have this Krishna, the face is little bit upward, ठीक है। This face is little bit upward, that means it's not horizontal, it is vertical. So we'll take our paper vertical. So take our paper vertical. Can you see the reference as well? Can you see the reference picture? Yeah. So leave this portion, leave this little bit portion upward for drawing this hair area. So we'll leave this little portion upward for drawing hair area, and we will just draw one simple line to get to know that we have to start the face section from here downward, ठीक है। See, when I say draw a line, you have to draw the line very lightly. Take a very light pressure on your hand. You don't need to give very much pressure onto the paper, because if we give the pressure onto the paper, this pressure on the paper will give a texture on the paper, and when we use color, this texture will be visible when we do the color. Okay, so you take your hand very lightly and draw this line, and now draw one oval. You know how to draw an oval? Just an oval, free hand, like this. Free hand oval. Okay. Everybody do like this. If you have done, thumbs up. Okay. So now see, this face is oval, and now we will divide this oval into half. We will divide this oval into half from here, like this. Just divide this oval into half. Whosoever not getting, please interrupt. Okay, please ask me. Now we will divide this line into again one half without using scale. Yes. Yeah, tell me. Yes, Anita, Ankita, Anika. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't draw oval.
You can't draw oval?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, how you draw oval? You see, circle is little bit broader and oval is little bit narrow. So like this. Take a line here and just do like this. A cap. Right? And the same way, bottom side. Okay. Now, after doing the half, again we have to do half of the top portion. This portion we have to do half. Again, half. We are not using scale. We are freehand. Okay? We are doing with freehand. Now, the bottom portion again half. Okay? Now see, we will start with the lips. Lips and then we'll go upward. Okay? So how we'll go? Lips from here. On this line, see. On this line, just draw V. V. Now, like a petal, like a leaf petal, just ups and downs. Ups and downs. Again from here, ups and downs. Mind it, the level of the lip will be same. ये level same रहेगा. ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाएगा. Now, from here up till here, one arc like this. Okay. Now the bottom portion from here up till here. Again one wide arc like this. Done with it? ठीक है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Towards the nose. So how we'll draw the nose? See, the nose and the lips have little bit gap between this, right? So little bit gap, that means let's suppose we take this. This gap is okay enough according to my face. Okay. So from here I will draw U. Okay. Now see the eyebrow. Eyebrow will be on this line, top line. आईब्रो हमारा इस लाइन के ऊपर आएगा, तो आईब्रो हमारी यहाँ पे बनाएंगे. इसको सबसे पहले हम we will extend this parallelly towards this line. We will extend this line parallel like this and like this towards this line, and we'll draw an eyebrow like this. Again from this, one eyebrow. ठीक है? Now we'll draw the eye. Eye देखो. We know how to make a flower petal. Simple flower petal. Just draw a simple flower petal. Let's suppose I'm drawing the eye from here. Just like this. Simple. Okay. And the eye, both of the eye, level of the eye will be the same. ठीक है? Our eye level is also same. Then face proportion will also same. So in the same line, इसी line के इधर यहाँ पे हम dot लगाते हैं, and from here we will draw eye. अब let's see the eye. This eye is little bit slanting. This eye is little bit slanting. So how we will draw this eye? We will draw a slanting line from here like this, and over it we'll draw the petal. Okay. Now this portion, simply from here like this. Okay. Now the eyeball. Eyeball is simply round. And again one round. And a smaller round like this. And one. This. And from here, just erase this line we have taken. इसको हम erase कर देंगे. Now इसके अंदर हम eyeball बनाएंगे जैसा यहाँ पे बन रहा है. हमारा eyeball यहाँ से start हुआ. Half eyeball बनाए ऐसे. Then like this. And again like this and like this. ठीक है? Show me. किसने इतना बना लिया? Show me. गुड गुड अनिका. हाँ नाइस. और बताओ और किसने बना लिया? Anybody else want to show me? Yeah, Jay. All right. ठीक है. Yeah, Yash, you want to show? Okay. Okay. Yes, little bit nose. Nose should be little bit more longer. Your nose is little bit smaller. Just नीचे से थोड़ा सा और लंबा करेंगे nose. ठीक है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, see, if you see the reference picture, the oval thing is little bit different here. Okay, so now come up with the structuring of this face. How will it go with the structure? उसको structure कैसे देंगे? जैसे हमारा ये है. तो हम सबसे पहले down से start करते हैं. Here down we can see a V here. V. ठीक है? So from here we will draw a V. ऐसे. Little bit इस तरीके का V बनाएंगे. थोड़ा सा. ज्यादा narrow नहीं. Little bit like this. ठीक है? Now we will just squeeze this face. We will just squeeze this face, and from here just go towards the end of the V like this. And from this just extend it towards the lip. लिप की जितना हम इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड करेंगे. अब हम देखेंगे कि लिप के साइड में दिस लिप, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द लिप and the earring are on the same level. Okay, so now left side of the lip we will draw one earring, big earring like this, and again one circle as it is given in the picture. And again one small ring. Okay. Now the tika is missed, so we'll draw the tika over this line. Simply a petal, flower petal over this line. इस line को ध्यान में रखते हुए. Now we have to erase all these lines जो हमने बनाई है सिर्फ अपने फेस का proportion बनाने के लिए. We will erase these lines. Now erase all the lines we have made just for making the proportions. ठीक है?
Hello, madam.
Yes. Any confusion? Shri? Yukta, have any confusion? Okay, ठीक है. Now, from here, see, now the turn of the hairs. How we will draw the hairs? So, see, from here, just little bit downward portion we will take. This right eye से थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे हम लेंगे पोर्शन जो हमारा रेफरेंस पिक्चर में है, and we'll draw a free hand like a sea creature fish. Fish कैसे होती है? Like this and like this. तो ये नीचे मिला देते हैं, वो फिश बन जाता है. ठीक है, तो सिमिलरली वो कहाँ से जा रहा है? ये हेड का पोर्शन जिससे डाउन एंड डाउन, डाउन कहाँ तक है? ये इयरिंग से थोड़ा सा ऊंचा तक. ठीक है, इयरिंग से थोड़ा सा ऊंचा तक डाउन जा रहा है, तो मैंने ये मार्क कर लिया. अब मैं यहाँ से गई, फ्री फ्लो लेती गई इसको, और मैं ऐसे ले. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? ठीक है. फ्रॉम हेयर थोड़ा सा मैं इसको डार्क कर लेती हूँ और इस तरीके से इसको स्ट्रक्चर दे देती हूँ फेस. Now from here again I will touch this. From here again I will do parallelly according to this flow of the line. यहां से ले गई मैं, इसी लाइन के फ्लो में मैंने एक और लाइन फ्लो कर दी. ठीक है. Again now ये all the hairs are going like this, narrow and wide, narrow, wide. So narrow and wide. From here narrow and wide. Again from here narrow and wide. And like this. Here can be in any direction. So not to worry if टेढ़ा मेढ़ा भी बन गया तो little bit. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Now come up with the last portion of the ear. How you will draw the ear. So ear कैसे बनेगा? From here, you and from here one curve inside and just join like this. One curve and just join. ठीक है. Okay, so see the nose portion is little bit not parallel, but yes, this is little bit curved here. So from here structuring, when we are structuring this, curve and join, curve and join, and will erase this line. ठीक है. Now what about the foot? What is it? Slanting position. Please mute yourself. If you're asking something, then only please unmute yourself. Some disturbance is coming. This is the slanting line, the flute. So from here, one slanting line like this. ठीक है. One slanting.
Charging by DCC.
Done. ठीक है. So now the flute is slanting and again a parallel line. According to the thickness of the flute, we will take the parallel line. And from here, one oval and two curves like this. Okay. So see, we also have to erase this.
White color.
So with this flute is just in front. This flute is just in front of the face. That means if this pencil is a flute and I am taking this pencil in front of my face, what will be visible? This portion which is overlapping this flute is not be visible. My chin is not be visible here. Only the pencil is visible. So that's why we have to erase this and this, because this flute will be visible. The chin of the face is not be visible. So erase this. As this flute is in front of the face, in front of the chin basically. Now like this. Now the neck portion, from here like this free flow, and from here like this and like this. As this flute is in front, so the neck portion here will not be visible. So just like this. Done? All of you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, if the session is out, if the session going to be out, you have to listen to me first. If this session goes out, जब ये sign out हो जाएगा, तो you have to join with the same link, okay? Just join with the same link when this log out. So now we have to do the outline. So one thing should be very clear. If we do the outline with black sketch pen after doing the oil pastel, that means the black sketch pen will not work over the oil pastel. Oil pastel have oil in it, so this sketch pen will not work over the oil pastel. But if you do outlining first, then use the oil pastel, there will not be any problem. So first we have to do the outline using the black sketch pen. All of you have the black sketch pen with you? All of you have? हाँ, do the outline. जल्दी से outline कर ले. Yeah, show me. Yeah, good. Good. Anita, good. So do the outline first. Do the outline, then we'll start coloring.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to do it with a normal black pen or marker or a sketch pen.
See, you have to use the sketch pen. If you have black pen, then it will work, no problem. I don't have that sketch pen with me right now, so I'm using this black normal pen, cello pen. Okay, but don't use marker. Marker will give little bit blotting on the paper. Beta Shri, please mute yourself. At the end of the class, I will show you the oil pastel, some oil pastels work. What all things you can do using the oil pastels. Completed? Completed? So first of all, we'll see the colors. Okay? So we'll do the upper portion first, the hair portion. So what we see, how many colors? How many colors we can see? Only the hairs. Only the hairs.
Yellow, red and orange. You can see. Ma'am?
Yellow.
Orange.
Yes. Yellow.
Red.
Orange.
I can see red over here.
Yellow, orange, green, blue, yellow.
No, I am talking about the hairs. I am talking about the hairs.
Red.
So, okay, listen. Mute yourself. Let me explain. Mute yourself. Let me explain first. Okay? So, see, in the base, here is the yellow color. Base में आपको yellow color दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Three. I request you to please mute yourself because background voice is coming. I can't able to speak properly. Can you mute yourself? If you want to hear, if you want to say something, then say and mute yourself. Okay. So in the background, yellow is there, and over it we can see the orange. Over it we can see the orange, and then the brown color here. This portion. So the base is orange. The base is yellow. Yellow color is lighter than the orange color. So In oil pastel, we always work with the lighter colors, then we go with the upper darker variation of the colors. So first, take the yellow medium color, medium yellow color, this medium yellow color, and do all over the hairs. ये hairs में सारा कुछ आप yellow कर दो, without taking care of क्या आप बाहर निकल रहा है यहाँ से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Yellow color apply all over the hairs, only all over the hairs. Okay, apply it.
Ma'am, this color?
Yellow, medium yellow, medium yellow.
This.
Yes, medium yellow. Number is 256. Medium yellow. Number is 256. Yes,
Okay.
this one. हाँ, ठीक है?
Thank you.
So, yeah, we will apply this color in spiral way. Spiral. जानते हो spiral कैसे होता है? Round, 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 round like this. We will always apply the color round, round like this. Not zigzags. ठीक है? Only round, round. Apply.